8 CSE 2001. Given the following Karnaugh map, which one of the following represents minimal sum of products of the map? So a 4 variable K map is given in terms of wx, yz. After simplifying the given map, we are going to obtain one among the 4 Boolean expressions listed on the left hand side. Now, let us try to identify the expression. For that, we need to group the ones within this map. So our focus is to group the one. While grouping the one, we can make use of x as well. X represents don't care. That means it can have either value of 0 or 1. Whenever we group ones, we can make use of x as well in order to get a larger size to group. Before we go for grouping, let us verify the rules to be followed. The first thing says that group the terms such that number of elements in a group must be powers of 2. That means if we group the elements, there must be at least 2 or 4 or 8 or 16. Where 2 represents 2 power 1, 4 represents 2 power 2, 8 represents 2 power 3, 16 represents 2 power 4. So such a way, powers of 2, the number of elements inside the group must be powers of 2. Next thing is, there must be maximum number of ones in a group. When there are ones, you try to cover maximum number of ones in a particular group. That means you try to make as larger group as possible, covering maximum number of ones. The third point says that minimum number of groups. Here our goal is to create minimum number of groups, not more number of groups. That means if I am going to combine this one and this one, for instance, I can go for combining these 4 as a single group, right? Because x may be treated as 1 as per my convenience. Here also x is there. That also may be treated as 1 in this situation. So I can say in one single group, I'm having 4 elements, right? And coming to the remaining set of elements here, there are 2 ones which are not grouped yet. So these 4 may be either we may try with 8, but if we try, this particular element is having 0, so which cannot be brought into the group. The next possible option is 4 elements in the group. So we can go for combining these 4 elements into a group. So here in the first group, we have 4 elements. In the second group, we have 4 elements, so that all ones given in the map are grouped into 2 groups. Let us say this is our first group and let us call it as second group. Now write the Boolean expression for each group. According to group 1, it lies in 0, 1. That means the variable value y is 0 and the value of z is 1. It aligns on a single row, but in 4 different columns, the elements are present. So we can eliminate these 2 variables, w and x. The rest of the 2 variables, y and z, remains. Here y value is 0, z value is 1. We can write it as y bar z. This is what the Boolean expression for the first group. Now let us come to the second group. Here it is, the group is lying in 2 different rows, third row and fourth row. When there are 2 different rows, then the different element must be eliminated. Here z value is 1 and 0. So z is eliminated, only y remains. So for this group, we are taking y from row perspective. Now look from the column. From column, this group lies in 2 different columns, 0, 1 and 1, 1. Here the different element is first one. Here it is 0, here it is 1. The first element is w, so w gets eliminated. Only the second element x is common for both and its value is 1. So we directly write it as x here. So this expression xy is for second group. Now first group is having y bar z, second group is having xy. So or the 2 terms represent the given K map in a simplified form. Now check with the options. If we check with the given options, it matches with option A. So option A is the answer. Thank you.